Tell me.
A lot. I promise you.
Okay, I'm willing to listen. Come on, let's talk.
You're trying to mess me up, man.
Who is they? Who is they?
I can't.
You don't know?
I don't know who dead. I don't know.
Okay. By phone, by social media, by driving by your house? How?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't know. Fuck him, man. Fuck him, man. Get him up. Stop.
Yes. Hey. If I find somebody that can help you, are you willing to talk to them?
Willing to talk to him.
Okay.
I'm willing.
Nobody's gonna go to jail. I promise you that.
No, it's not about.
But I know that you will worry about it. I know you're worried about it. I'm gonna stay here with you, okay?
Every day I wake up.
Okay?
I'm saying, every day I wake up, I don't know. I don't know if I'm a die or not.
You're not.
You see what I'm saying? Like I'm saying, but y'all not understanding. I'm messed up.
They'll help you out. And then I will go and get you your cigarettes, okay? Thank you. Then I will go, you talk to them and I will go and get you your cigarettes, okay? You tell me what you want, I will go and get them.
I guarantee I'm about to die. Mr. Miguel. Mr.
Ali,
Miguel.
let me go with you. I will go with you, Ali. Ali, I'll walk in with you.
About to die.
I will ride with you. I will not leave your side.
About to die. Either
Okay?
way.
Let's go to the hospital.
I'll go to the hospital. But
I'll go with you. Yes? Are you willing to go? If I go with you, I'll stay with you.
you ain't gonna understand.
Ali, I will stay with you. I will stay with you. You willing to go? I go with you.
Okay.
I will ride with you, and I will go inside with you. I just want you to get better.
I know.
We got you.
Man, can you looking at me?
We got you.
You looking at me?
We got you.
No,
There we go.
no.
There we go. We got you, brother.
Brother.
Just lean back. Hey, it's me.
Brother, everybody listen to each other.
Yes. Oh yeah. Keep going. Yep. There we go.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah. Can I shut the door?
I'm gonna shut it for you.